So you just got your iPad 4 or iPad mini 1 or iPad iOS 10 and you're ready to install. You're ready to install Chrome on it or YouTube. And this is what you get. Unable to purchase. Google Chrome is not compatible. Okay, alright, well, let me go with Firefox then. I'll just go ahead and install Firefox. Oh, same thing. Okay, guys. Real quick. Don't panic. Don't go out and watch too many videos. Just go out here. Go to purchased. And you're going to search for that application that you want to install. Remember, this is not on a brand new iCloud account. Basically, you have an iPhone and you already downloaded this app in the past, so this is the only way it'll work. So let's just do, once you go to purchase, let's just do a search for Chrome. And there it is. I've already bought this or downloaded this, and it's gonna give me the same error, and it's gonna say, do you want to download the last compatible version? Yes, I do. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. It'll download to the latest version. This will work with any compatible app. Now, it's not gonna be the updated version, it's gonna be the last compatible version. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I just wanted to make a quick video about this because I ran into this in the past and I've always had to search to different videos. So enjoy.